Hey, it's Steven at Goodie Goodie, making French meringue kisses. Mix room temperature egg white with a whisk attachment at medium speed, adding 1 spoon of sugar at a time, then the vanilla and cream of tartar. Turn the mixer up to high for about 8 minutes until you get really stiff peaks, like that. Add your meringue to a piping bag and squeeze out any air bubbles. Try to pipe straight up and down, not like me. If you want a color, you can add some food coloring. I'm doing blue here. Mix, mix, mix. I'm using a 1E star attachment, but there are lots of other tips out there. If you want to do a really cool swirl effect, you can put rows of meringue on a piece of plastic wrap. You can actually do 2 or 3 colors like this. Roll it into a tube, seal one end, and cut the other end off. Put it in a piping bag as per normal, and pipe away. These are so amazing. I'm adding a little bit of coarse sugar here, but that's totally optional. Put them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 or 2 hours, depending on the size. Then let them cool in the oven for at least an hour to really dry them out. Then carefully remove your kisses from the parchment paper, and that's it.